welcome to HueChefs Live. I'm Monica, your host. I am the CEO and founder of HueChefs, and today we're going to be talking about something really exciting that we're going to be releasing, and that is our HueApproved guide. And what this is we have gathered all of our experts at HueChefs, and we've looked at the different guidelines and nutritional labels and come up with our own criteria as a third party, evaluating all kinds of products. And so what we hope is that this helps you as you're going to eat out or as you're going to buy at the grocery store, farmer's market, wherever you go, as a guide. So it's going to be released very, very soon. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I encourage you to please do subscribe. And also there's details below. If you want to receive the guide, please do subscribe to our newsletter. You can find the details, like I said, below. You subscribe to it, and in the next month or so, we're going to be sharing it with all of our subscribers, so you don't want to miss it. And again, what this guide is our hope to really give you a tool, a quick tool, a simple and fun tool to make different choices as you're going through the grocery store in different places. We've looked at things like, ingredients, saturated fat, protein content, fiber content, how processed is the food. We do understand that sometimes navigating and looking at the nutritional label can be a little confusing, so we want to make it a lot simpler for everyone. So if you want to receive our HueApproved guide, make sure to stay tuned on our channel as well as subscribe to our newsletter. Thank you for watching.